Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing an unboxing of these Rockford Fosgate Punch 6.5-inch component speakers. In this unboxing, what we're going to do is get the box all pulled apart to show you everything that they come with, and we're actually going to get them mounted up and throw some power on them so you can hear what they sound like. Let's get started. Alright, so these are great speakers. They range from about 60 to 75 watts each side because they come in a pair. Let's go ahead and get this thing pulled apart. Got your manual. Here's our 6.5. Looking really nice. Here's our terminals, and the cool thing is there's a pass-through. Right, so this is where we'll hook our tweeter up. So you only have one terminal that you need to hook up, which is super cool. Nice heavy magnet. 60 watts RMS. Final impedance will be 4 ohms. Comes also with speaker grills in this package, which is really nice. Here's our tweeter. Mounting hardware. Wiring harnesses here. Alright, so we have some tweeter pods here. Now there's 2 sets of them. So you can flush mount them or mount them on a dash somewhere through this bracket. So a lot of flexibility in terms of how you want to get them mounted. So looking specifically at these speaker brackets, now the way that these work with our tweeters, so you have a couple of different pieces here. So if you are to flush mount these, essentially here, this goes behind the panel, this goes in front of the panel, and this sandwiches in between the two. You mount your tweeter in there once you get this mounted in the door with that screw, and then you have a little trim piece that goes up and over with the nice logo, which is pretty cool. So that's how you mount these within the door itself. Again, you also have some just flush mounts, so if you were to mount these on a flat location, you can mount them flat on this plane, or you can mount them flat on this plane with an angle. Just kind of depends on your orientation and the way that you are looking to have them installed. Now, what's really cool about these that's different from a lot of speakers out there is you're probably wondering, well, where's your crossovers, right? There's no crossovers included in the box. This mid-range is super unique because the crossover is built within the speaker itself. So this is your input here. This will come from whatever input source you're feeding the speaker, an amplifier probably, that goes through your input. This mid-range has its own built-in crossover, and then it has an output for the tweeter, and the crossover for the tweeter is also built into the mid-range. It passes through and goes to your tweeter wherever you choose to get it mounted. So that's really unique about this, is you don't have to have an outside separate crossover. Everything is built in all into one piece. So that's everything that comes with it. Like I said, you have your manual here. The manual for multiple different speaker types, but it shows you how to get everything mounted, specifications. So what we're going to do is get these mounted up in some boxes. We have some speaker boxes here that we're going to get our mid-ranges in, and then we'll just have the tweeters here on the bench. We're going to throw some power at them from an external amplifier that we have on the bench and hear what they sound like. That's about it for today. If you have any questions on what we did here, post a comment below. If you have these speakers, what do you think about them? If you have a good recommendation, go ahead and also post that in the comments below. Be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. We post great content on the channel all the time. Thanks again, and we will see you in the next video.